Good morning, Hurricanes, and welcome to the Hurricane News. Today is Tuesday, February 10th. The weather for today is a high of 77 and a low of 47.
The lunch for today is nacho beef tortilla chips.
Did you know that CTE programs are designed with business, industry, trade, and associations to align with economic needs?
In the spirit of CTE, we've chosen one African American who has contributed to CTE each day this month.
The African American CTE professional of the day is
James Edward West, born February 10, 1931, is an American inventor and acoustician, best known for co-inventing the foil electret microphone. This technology is now the industry standard, used in approximately 90% of the billions of microphones manufactured annually worldwide. The invention, foil electret microphone. In 1962, while working at Bell Laboratories, West and his colleague Gerard M. Sessler developed a compact, low-cost, and highly effective sensitive microphone. Key invention. They utilized thin sheets of polymer electret film, which can hold a permanent electrical charge, eliminating the need for the large, expensive batteries required by previous condenser microphones. Impact. Their invention revolutionized sound technology, enabling the miniaturization of devices such as hearing aids, cell phones, baby monitors, and recording equipment. Career and education. West earned a degree in physics from Temple University in 1957 after previously interning at Bell Labs. He spent 40 years at Bell Labs, later Lucent Technologies, retiring as a Bell Laboratories Fellow in 2001. Following his retirement, he joined the Whiting School of Engineering as a research professor in the Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering. He holds over 250 patents, both U.S. and foreign, related to microphones and polymer foil electric techniques.
Thank you, TV2 students.
Now here is the Young Woman of Excellence quote of the day.
I was the first African American to graduate from the University of Iowa with a degree in civil engineering. My firm built significant projects such as the Tidal Basin Bridge and seawall in Washington, D.C. I was appointed governor of the U.S. Virgin Islands in 1954.
Thank you, Young Woman of Excellence. On to the sports news.
Congratulations on those who made this track team. Basketball Open Gym will be held again today from 4:15 through 5:30 p.m. Basketball tryouts are February 17th through 19th, 4:15 through 6 p.m. Pickup time is 5:45 p.m. You need a permission slip, basketball shoes, proper athletic attire, and water bottle and sports physical, and a GPA at least 2.0 and a good attitude. Now back to our anchors.
Join us tomorrow, February 10th, in the courtyard during a lunch for the CTE Technology Showcase in celebration of career and technical education.
Students will be showcasing technology projects that highlight skills in coding, web design, and digital creativity.
Come out and support our CTE students and programs. Give us your feedback and win a treat.
After-school tutorials are starting this week. To attend, you must have your parent/guardian sign up for the tutorial and must have a ride to be picked up.
Stop the Bleed will be held for 6th grade science classes on February 24th and 25th at the media center.
We are still accepting soft donations. Please contact Miss Jessie for more information. That's all